Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Becca Mahira Miller, aka Becca. Welcome back to another video. Welcome all new subscribers and welcome back all returning subscribers. Welcome back. Nice to have you guys once more on my channel. So before I go further into talking about what I'm going to be doing today, please hit the thumbs up button as well as subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? There's more content to come. Subscribe and hit that post notification bell. I'm going to give you guys some time. 1 second. Go ahead and subscribe. So since you guys have done that already, I'm assuming you guys did all of that already. So let's jump right into the meat of the matter. So as you know, we're in a new era. Is online. Everything is online right now, and we have a lot of students. Everybody is basically online right now. I'm actually going to talk about what some preparations that we can all do in order to best be prepared for our online classes, whether we're in high school, whether we're in university, whether we're in college or any vocational institution or whatever the case may be. I am going to give 10 tips on how to best prepare yourself for your online classes. So I'm going to be breaking them. They're going to be a breakdown of them. I'm going to be doing 5 today, and then in the other video, which will be part 2, I'm going to be giving you the other 5. Okay, so 10 in all. So if you don't want to miss the rest of this video, obviously you have to continue watch the video, and also just stay tuned for more content, and grab a book and grab a pencil and let's go. Make sure you have your pen and your pencil, your pen or your pencil and your paper or your book or whatever. First thing, change your environment. Now, when I'm talking about changing your environment, I'm referring to, like, when you're about to, you have a class at 10, or you have a class at 9 in the morning or 8 in the morning. You don't get up and then just pull up the laptop on the bed and then you say, okay, let me log in. No, change the environment in terms of get a corner in the house, whether in your room or in the kitchen or in the living room, wherever that is not a traffic area where persons in your household is going to pass often. Get a quiet corner with a desk and a chair, as well as your laptop and everything that is there, extension card to plug in or whatever, and you just go right ahead and you set up, do your setup, and you log in and relax until class is in session. Reason being, the environment is very crucial, because if you're in the bed, obviously you're, after a while, you're in the bed is for sleeping along with other things, right? So people don't work. When you're at school, you're not in the bed learning, right? So just pretend as if you're actually at school. Even you're at school, but pretend as if the home is the school, and there's at least a corner, a desk and a chair, or whatever the case may be, and you have that, and you just sit up and you relax yourself and just be prepared for your class. When you're in the bed, you're going to feel lazy, you're going to feel like to sleep, you're going to be bored, and a lot of things may come upon you because you're in the bed, right? Your bed is for sleeping. So come on, why would you sit up in the bed and be online in class, right? That just don't make any sense, right? That is not wise. So that's the first tip. Change your environment. The second tip is, in your room or wherever in the house, pace up a timetable. It's only 2 timetables. So for me, just the other day, because the semester started, school year started on Monday for me, I got a cartridge paper, and I actually got not big cartridge paper. I part it into 2 sections. First section up top is for my school timetable, where my actual classes will be held, my registered classes. and as well as at the bottom I have my own timetable where I make my own timetable, which is my study timetable. Right? So one is my school timetable and one is my study timetable. Now you're gonna place that up in your room or wherever you want to place it up, where you can actually see it whenever you get up or whatever the case may be. That now is best because sometimes you can overlook something and on the timetable and you just say, oh, I have that class and I didn't remember because my timetable is in my phone, or I have to log back in order to access my timetable and I didn't remember. I just didn't remember. You missed that class, especially if it is a tutorial class or whatever name that your institution call it. In my institution, which is UIN Mona, they call it tutorial sessions, where you can't miss a session, and it's not every tutor record that session. So if you miss a session, that's just it. There's no, there's no going back. And it's one thing to be in the session, and it's another thing to hear what was taught in the session from somebody else. It's just a total experience, different experience. So get that timetable and paste it up. You won't regret it. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3, always check your timetable. Now, once you have the timetable posted up or placed on the wall, bear in mind it's going to be right in front of your eyesight, right? So therefore you basically can't miss it. But at the same time, because it's there, it's not saying that it's going to be there and it's going to say, okay, here am I, come to me, come and read me. You have to push yourself to go to that wall and look at it and run through with a fine-tooth comb and say, hey, oh, I have this class at that time, or I have that class at that time. And then you say, oh, I didn't even remember that I had that class. I look, it needs to look on the timetable. You understand? So it is a good thing when you actually have the timetable up and you paste it, right? Yes. I'm not sure what your institution may call it, but course outline is it's like a syllabus. It's like a syllabus, basically what is expected to come in the future classes. So like this week you will have introduction to this week, that week you will have the basics of this, the next week you'll have methods in order to do this. You understand? And you will know what to expect, and then you will familiarize yourself with that particular topic. Now that is very important because it keeps you in track, or on track rather, and it keeps you from being lost in the course or in the subject or whatever the case may be, right? Because I'm not only talking to university students, I'm probably also talking to high school students as well as college students or whatever. So recheck, review your course online or your syllabus in order to know what is expected in the future, right? This one is very important. It is very important. Why? Because you can miss out on small little nuggets just because of doing this rubbish. So you might have a class, right, and it's recorded. Yes, it's recorded and stuff, but you're the type of person you love make your own notes and you love to take notes. So you say, okay, the lecture is teaching, and you're writing, but at the same time you're realizing that you're not keeping up with her, so you're missing out. No, that is wrong bang, a big X. That's a big X. Why? Because you might miss out on small information, small details that you will completely forget unless you go back and look on the recording. So what you can do in a live lecture, in a live class, make your jottings. Make a little sentence or phrase based on that particular paragraph that was said to you by the lecturer, and put a highlight on it. And then now, when that class is finished, you can re-watch the recording, and then that is when you make your notes, because at that time it's not live, and you can watch it and then you pause it, you play it back, you stop it, you play it back, or whatever. It's a wrong bound. It is totally not necessary. It's totally not wise to be on a live lecture and you're trying to write down all the notes that are on the slides. Like, no, do not do that. Do not do that. Alright, that is the last tip for this part number 1. So stay tuned for part number 2 next week, And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. I hope you guys made your own notes based on all of the five nuggets that I gave you guys about the tips, study tips, and also online tips. So I really hope that you guys just stay tuned for more, and the only way you can stay tuned for more is to hit the post notification bell so that you don't miss the video, and you see the video drop and then you click to see part number 2. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you all. Signing out. I'm the girl Becca, my Helen Miller. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Bye guys, love you.